Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the files onto your phone and the right app installed. Install GoPro Quick or a trusted 360 editor, then grant storage permissions so the app can read footage. Connect the GoPro Max over Wi-Fi or use an SD adapter to copy files. Wi-Fi preserves stitch metadata, which matters later. Once done, back up the originals to cloud or a local folder so you can revert if needed. Make sure battery and space are sufficient before you open the editor. Next, you handle stitching and stabilization while checking the visual seams. Use the app's Auto Stitch feature and inspect edges for artifacts. Fix exposure with Auto HDR if available. Then apply Max Hyper Smooth or the 360 stabilization option because it reduces wobble. Adjust strength gradually in 10% steps until motion looks natural. After stabilization, reframe by cropping to 16:9 for traditional playback, or preserve full 360 for interactive viewers. Choose based on platform and viewer experience you want. Finish by dialing in color, exporting correctly, and knowing one quick fix. Start with a preset, then tweak contrast, saturation, and white balance so skin tones and skies read properly. Use masks sparingly. Export at 4K with a high bitrate and H.264 or H.265 and keep the 360 metadata flag enabled if you want interactive playback. If upload or playback fails, restitch the file. Try a lower bitrate or clear the app cache. Those steps usually resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.